everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I've got a little Goodwill haul. This is some jewelry, auction I won of rhinestone jewelry. It's not a big one, it's going to be a small one. It is getting so hard to find what I need. Oh, these are in boxes. I have started with my jewelry sales. I focus mainly on rhinestone pieces now, vintage rhinestones, and I think after Christmas I'm going to branch into vintage and real pearls as well. So, it's open. Grab scissors back here. So, like I said, this is a small one. I paid $40 for this one, though. That was my winning bid. Sorry for all that noise, unless you like ASMR. And then you're welcome. Yeah, there's not much here. It just fits in that little bag right there. But that's okay. Let's open her up and see what we got. I see something very pretty. First thing. Look at this pin. That is gorgeous. All the stones are there. It can be made into a necklace as well, but that is going on my niece's bouquet. I will start on that after the first of the year. Oh, we have a ring. Blue stone. It's marked silver. I'm gonna see if that's a real stone or if it's glass. Let me turn this on. Let's put it on my finger. It's pretty. That's pretty. Let me size it. It's a 6.5. I don't think it's a real sapphire. It's a deep, deep blue. There are, take it off my hand. There is a chip. I see 2 chips. My goodness, they could be diamond. Or why else would you put them on there? I don't know if you guys can see. Not the light here, but that's dark right there. Yes, teeny, 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 tiny little chips. Let's see what we get here. First of all, the blue. It's not glass. The blue is not glass. Nope. Huh, very interesting. Let me see if I can hit one of these tiny, teeny, tiny chips without hitting metal. The metal will make that noise. There we go. Ding, 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 they're diamonds. So, I would say that is a sapphire with 2 tiny little diamond chips. Well, what do you know? Look at there. It's set in sterling silver, though. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. Well, that was kind of a surprise. I don't know why I turned that off. I'll leave it on. Look at here. Oh my. See what we got here. Sterling. Okay, this is a CZ. It tells me it's a CZ. But it's very pretty. Look at that. I wonder what carat that is. I'm not good with carat. I have a sheet somewhere. This is a size 7. I have a sheet that tells me carats, or just kind of has the size of the stone. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so far this has been worth 40 bucks. What else have we got in here? I got another ring. Here we go. Wow, it's another big one. It looks like, okay, it has no markings in it. So, and the gold is wearing off. But it's very pretty. It does look like a CZ. It doesn't look like just regular glass. Looks like a CZ. Let's see what the size is on this one. 7. That's pretty too. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, look at this pen. It's beautiful. It's a hummingbird. I'm going to sell that in my shop. My Etsy shop is listed down below. Wow. Oh, look at these beautiful clip-on earrings. We're missing stones. Or pearls. I might have pearls I can glue back in there. I think I do. I think I can fix these and then sell them. They are really heavy duty, nice quality. There are no markings, but I think I'm going to sell those. I do really well with clip-on earrings in my shop. I didn't think I would. And look at these. Beautiful too. There are no missing stones in this. No markings, so, but those are gorgeous. I'm going to list those. I saw this pin in the preview. It's kind of it's got a really cheap bag, but and the stones, like especially these stones right here, are not the best quality. Let me get them under the light. Oh, can you see? There we go. These are not the best quality. These are actually a little better quality than these. But these are not anything I would sell in my shop. I would craft with them usually. But this is going to be part of the boutonniere for Jimmy, my niece's fiance. He wants a blinged out boutonniere to match her bouquet I'm making. So when I saw this in the preview, in the pictures, that's what sold me on this lot. Look at, oh my, do you see that? Look at that, it's a pen, Swarovski. It's got black in it, or I would put it in my niece's bouquet, but it's got black, so I'm not going to do that. I believe I will sell this. Part of me wants to keep it, but I don't need it. This is something I don't need. I'm going to sell it. Boy, it's beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. And then next is this, necklace. I originally thought I was going to craft with it. Oh my goodness, I don't know. It's got a fold over clasp. Come on. Open it. The clasp is not that, yeah, clasp doesn't hold. clasp is broken. So therefore, that makes up my mind. I am crafting with this. It's beautiful. It is beautiful, but I'm gonna craft with it. And then here's the last piece. It is a little cascade necklace. The chain is in pretty rough shape. It's pretty tarnished. There is a little stone there. But yeah, this I'm also going to craft with. So I got 2 craft pieces. I got a piece for Emily and a piece for Jimmy. And then several pieces for my shop. And then, let's see what's in here. Ooh. Look at those. Like Swarovski. Ooh, those are gorgeous. Illusionaire. Oh, it was in upside down. Silver plated. Fine silver plated. Wow. Very pretty. Very pretty. And what's in here? Oh. Wow. You know, I'm thinking, oh, I need those, but I don't need these. I am going to keep this for myself. This ring. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. I'm going to test it some more and see if it is a sapphire. It's really dainty. It's really pretty. This one, I'm going to try to clean up a bit. It's pretty rough in the back though, but it is a nice, it's a nice CZ though. These are gorgeous. Okay, think about that. But there we go. That was this lot, and I'm pretty pleased with it. I think I definitely got my $40 out of it. There we go. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.